Hello everyone, my name is Tom and welcome back to the channel. If you are a watchmaker or if you're someone that likes to work with fine detail, you know how frustrating it can be when your loupe starts fogging up. But no worries, in today's video I will show you a quick and easy way how to get rid of that fog and keep your loupes clear. And by the way, a quick wrist check for today, the Seiko SKX009G. And if you would like me to do a review about the watch, please feel free to leave a comment in the sections below. Let's jump right in. There we are, guys. So, for this we will need our two loupes. These are the two ones that I mostly use. And my teacher at the Watchmaker course told me to drill 3 holes in this one, because it starts fogging up, especially in the summer. Every 3 to 4 minutes it will start fogging up, and it was so frustrating. And I'm going to do it now. So I want to show you also how you can do it and how to prevent the fog. What am I going to need is a drill already pre-installed, this guy. So I hope it will go well. By the way, when you use such equipment, please be careful, and let's do it. So this one doesn't really have a logo. I will do one next to the 12, so straight in. I'll do it slow, and okay, it's going. Okay, this was not really what I expected, but it's okay, it's okay. We will figure this out together. I'll put it back in. Maybe put it a bit more firmly. And maybe what I can do is increase the speed, number 2, and yeah, I'm true. Okay, I'm true. I did it. But later I will do some sanding paper, because this is not really what I want at the same time. But it's okay. We did it. So this is the first hole, and I will do 1, 2, and 3. So let's do it 2 more times. First, I'm happy. Up, like this one here. Okay, this is a bit more annoying, but it's okay, it's okay. Try to... Okay, maybe why it's being difficult is I didn't install the correct one, but it's okay. It's okay, and here... Okay. So this is already much better. Actually, I did a mistake. Don't use this one. This one, I don't know. It seemed good, but do not use this one. Use this one. This one is a number 5. I don't know what's it called, these types of heads. Because you can compare. This hole is really beautiful. I'm really happy with this one. And this one a little bit less, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's do it one more time. And we do it here, nicely, steady, and okay. There we have it. Well, I'm quite happy actually. With these two, I'm quite happy. This one is okay. This one is okay. There we go. This one I do have to sand down, but it's okay. So there you go, guys. These two was quite good. I'm happy. So this one I'll put aside. I'll continue with two more, but I'll speed it up so it goes a bit faster for you. And for this one, I will need just a little bit of sanding paper to fix the issue. Okay guys, here we have it. My loops are finished. I'm happy with the results. Very happy. I hope now it will be less foggy. And very good. Only here I did the mistake with using the different one. So please, when you use it, do not use this one with a tip. Use this one. This one was much better. Did a very beautiful job. They didn't need sanding, nothing at all. That was my mistake. So there we go. We found it out together. This one is a no. This one definitely yes. And as you can see, I'm very happy with the results. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions or something that you would like to know, please feel free to leave a comment in the sections below. I would love to do a new video or answer your questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.